Ever caught your cat staring at nothing? Like they're seeing something you can't? Some people say cats can see spirits, but science has a fascinating explanation too. Cats can detect movements and light frequencies invisible to us. Their eyes are ultra-sensitive. They might be spotting tiny insects, dust, or flickers from lights our brains can't even register. But here's the twist. Even scientists admit some feline behavior can't be fully explained. So maybe, just maybe, they do see something beyond. What do you think your cat sees? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more mysterious cat facts.